So, saan ba nagtapos ng kolehiyo si Congressman at ano yung kanyang nagtinapos?
Dropout. Okay, medyo long story to. Okay, firstly, 2019, yun yung una akong naging congressman, naging konsehal. Okay, I was 20, turning 21 at the time, so I haven't gone to college yet because before 2018, 2017, I was already preparing myself for politics. 2019, nag-start ako as counselor until 2022. After pandemic, 2022, nag-enroll ako DLSUD DASMA in political science. And then goods naman yung grades ko, but like, there's only so much you can do when you're balancing the life of politics and schoolwork. So, minsan may mga, may subjects na medyo nahihirapan ako or medyo bagsak yung grades. And then, ang nangyari kasi ay, di ba yung mga exams usually in December and April, mga ganong times, yung mga nagiging final exams namin, and that's where the majority of the grades are. So, ang nangyari doon, December, lagi akong busy, hindi ako nakakapag-exams since puro Christmas party sa distrito namin. And then, this 2025, hindi ako nakapag-file ng leave of absence. Nag 2-month break ako from political science, third year ako noon. And then, I did not have time to pursue my studies since I was spending every day campaigning. So, wala na. But now, I'm transferring to KLD or Public College in Dasma kasi gusto ko din malaman kung paano sila nagtuturo yung mga professors namin. So, I want to see the system from the inside as a student. So, I plan on being a student there. And I plan on making, alam mo naman yung advocacy ko, meow meow. I plan on making a veterinary course there. Veterinary technicians, veterinary nursing, and hopefully eventually veterinary medicine. Huwag niyong masyadong isipin na well-educated ako. I'm just average.